normal circumstances, but especially on days like these where could be some more of that black ice out there.
You know, we've been dry now over the last 24 hours, so the roadways are improved from what we had yesterday morning at this time, but still a concern with all the snow on the ground. You can see the bright skies this morning as we await our sunrise. That's happening at 6:30 this morning, and the skies are clear in Narragansett, clear and frigid. Look at the temperatures this morning. So we've tied the record from 1907 in Providence at 3 below. It's 3 below Ninnegrit, 7 below in Coventry, and the actual air temperature, Smithfield and Gloucester, running at 8 below. It's dry, though, and expected to stay that way throughout the day today. We do have some snow in the forecast for tonight. So as we look at our threat tracker Futurecast this morning, we're in the medium category due to these frigid temperatures and the wind chills. This afternoon, it's going to be very cold. You'll need to bundle up, but we're going to be keeping the sunshine and the dry air in place. And then tonight, as we track that bit of light snow, there's now a winter weather advisory issued for parts of our area. Snow most likely between 11 p.m. and about 6 or 7 in the morning. Small accumulations likely with some slick roads developing, and that may extend into tomorrow morning's commute too. Here's another look at some of the temperatures. Boston still in the positive range at 2 above. Newport as well at 2 degrees. 6 below in New Bedford, 10 below in Taunton this morning. And add in the winds and it feels like 15 below New Bedford, 13 below Providence, 21 below Worcester and Willimantic this morning. And on Block Island, the wind chill 8 below 0. So it's a really frigid start this morning for the commute. Sunshine, though, you'll need the sunglasses. 6 below to 6 above between 7 and 9 a.m. We head into the evening commute, dry but with increasing clouds. Temperatures will be working their way up into the mid and upper teens and actually continuing to climb through the night. That's ahead of our next system that'll come in here. That's the Futurecast at 7 o'clock this morning, showing the sun shining. Skies are mostly clear through the afternoon hours, and then watch the clouds fill in this evening and tonight. This is at 10 o'clock at night, so increasing clouds, and the light snow arrives first at the coastline and then pretty quickly spreading inland through the nighttime hours. You get a little burst of moderate snowfall, especially eastern Massachusetts, before this clears out. So by 6 a.m., notice this is mostly out of here, and the rest of Wednesday looking dry. Snowfall amounts 1 to 3 inches across much of our area as you head from Fall River to New Bedford, out to the Cape and up to Boston. Could see as much as 3-4 inches of snow there, but for the most part, this is going to be a small accumulation, but enough to coat those roadways and make them slippery early tomorrow. So 7-day Futurecast, we're dry both today and during the daytime hours tomorrow. It's a nighttime snow with slippery roadways expected. Wednesday, not quite as cold in the afternoon, up to about 32 degrees, but we get back to the very chilly weather Thursday and Friday. You know, average high is 42 degrees. We're only 20 again for the high on Thursday, 21 on Friday, 0 in the morning on Saturday, and an afternoon temperature around 27. We get some milder air in here second half of the weekend, upper 30s. Look for fading sunshine on Sunday with rain and snow developing by the evening and night. Should end early on Monday. The eventual track will determine how much of that falls as snow and how much falls as rain. It doesn't look like a big storm system right now and a front coming through, but a little period of wintry weather possible. Looking ahead to next week, I think we'll still be below average for our temperatures, but probably not quite as cold as this week. Enough to cheer about, right, Pat? He's giving a big